Hey, babe, do you think the Z Fold 4 is interesting?
I mean, I guess.
Well, I'm going to tell you something that's really interesting that you will find very, very interesting. A $500 giveaway. And if you guys are interested, watch this video to the end for more details. What's up, guys? It's your girl Tangi, and in today's video I am going to try to convince my husband that the Z Fold 4 is better than the S22 Ultra. So stay tuned and watch me work. Hey babe, do you think the Z Fold 4 is better than the S22 Ultra?
No, I'm not a big fan of foldable phones, but I do think it's really cool to have one.
But it has multitasking. We're in a society these days where multitasking is so important. With the larger screen, you have the ability to see your favorite apps you use at the bottom of the taskbar. Like if you're using a web browser, Facebook, Instagram, or your banking apps, your most used apps are always at the bottom of the screen. So let me put it this way, I never have to go back to the home screen.
Okay. I mean, I see your point. But I have split screen too.
Let me see your split screen.
What's so funny?
Let me show you what a real split screen looks like.
Okay, whatever.
On this Z Fold 4, I can pull up to 5 different apps at the same time.
Oh wow, I mean, I guess I see your point. I guess a Z Fold 4 will be better in that aspect. Whatever. Okay.
Hi.
What kind of pictures are you taking?
Oh, just a few selfies so I can compare them to your phone.
Well, you do know that the S22 Ultra selfie cam is 40 megapixels and the Z Fold 4 selfie cam is 10 megapixels. There's no mistake that the S22 Ultra selfie cam is better than yours.
That sounds true on paper, but let's not forget that you can use the back camera as your selfie camera on the Z Fold 4. See, you're using your little 40 megapixel selfie cam, but I'm using a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens as a selfie camera. Take that.
Well, I mean, whatever. Whatever.
Just take a selfie with me.
All right, once again, you have a good point, and the Z Fold 4 seems like a good buy, especially with the versatility.
Yeah, and compared to the S22 Ultra, the pictures don't look bad. I would say that the dynamic range is slightly better, and some pictures come off as more vibrant than the S22 Ultra does. But I'm telling you, you will like the Z Fold 4. I've been using it for 6 months and I have a different experience every day with it. Oh, and I'm gonna throw this in for free. When you take your pictures or videos with the Z Fold 4, you can preview them immediately. A one-stop shop.
Okay, well, call me old-fashioned. I mean, I don't mind doing an extra step to see my photos in my gallery, but I will say, and I have to admit that is a cool feature. So, is there anything else you want to show off about your phone, or anything else you want to, make a good point about?
Well, since you asked, there is something that I really like about the Z Fold 4 that they have on this one. Since it is a foldable phone, I have the ability to see whatever I'm capturing on a screen by itself. So all of the options for taking pictures are on its own screen, which means that the photo that I'm taking is clutter-free. Take that.
Are you serious? Are we really doing this? I'm trying to take a... You've been nagging me about the Z Fold 4 this entire time. So just tell me why you like the darn device so much.
I like it because it's different. Many people see my phone and they're intrigued by it because it stands out. So it doesn't look like the ordinary cell phone.
Well, that's a good point. Too bad Samsung's not paying you for that free promotional marketing give them.
Well, another reason, but let me give you 2 more reasons of why I really like this phone. I can take advantage of video chatting on Microsoft Teams or Google Meet, and having a larger display allows me to take notes while video chatting. It is also cooler editing documents with a larger screen.
Oh yeah, using a large display is very helpful, and that would be nice to use a foldable phone. Consider the fact that I do a lot of writing and editing, so I guess it would be useful in that aspect. Oh, you're still here. Well, if you're still here, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video. Now, let's go ahead and go over the giveaway details since you're still with us. Now, it's simple. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, all right? And just be an active member. That means watch the videos, like the videos, and comments. There's also a link where you go ahead and click on it and you can register your name. And then you get more entries by following me on different social medias. That's it. Just interact with me. I will interact with you. That's all you gotta do. Well,
now you see where I'm coming from? In the last 6 months, I have been rained on, which is a good thing. My phone is an IP68 water and dust resistant, right? I dropped my phone and Gorilla Glass Vectis prevented my screen from cracking. And of course, I had my phone in a case without a screen protector. I use my phone for various things at work, my personal business, tangyexpressions.com, entertainment, like playing Pokemon Go, and social media. With the phone using Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and 12 gigabytes of RAM, the phone is well optimized. And I'm able to get at least a full work day without my phone going dead on me.
that's pretty impressive. Consider the fact that your phone is 4,400 milliamp in battery, but I just can't get rid of my S22 Ultra. This is my baby. This is the closest device that comes to a Note device. And you already know I'm a big fan of Note phones, so I just can't do it.
Hey.
Hey.
So have you decided on what you're gonna do about the Z Fold 4? You're gonna give it a try or not?
Well, I mean, the information gave was pretty good. I don't know, I might.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. All right.